Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Piquant Post. Piquant Post is a monthly recipe subscription, small batch spice subscription as well. So basically each month they go to a different region and they send you 4 recipes and 4 spice blends that correspond to not only the region, but to each other. So the recipes are going to match the spices are going to match the recipes. It's always like a nice way to like expand your palette, expand your flavor, you know, horizons. It's $11.99. They do have reduced prices for longer subscriptions. I love it. I always try to cook one of the recipes, so if you're interested, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate link. Okay, what's them here? Ooh, let's see. I have no idea by this month. None at all. So this would be the December packet. And the November's was a little different. They did not do a region. They did twists on American Thanksgiving classics. Okay, so it was interesting, different. All right, so it looks like we're in Bali, because this says Balinese pork, noodle stir fry, coconut turmeric cauliflower, and chicken satay. So our first blend is Bamboo Bali Spice. And this contains turmeric, coriander, ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, cayenne, cumin, white peppercorn, and bay leaves. That sounds really fragrant. Our next is Turmeric Gold. And turmeric is like really good for you. It's like an anti-septic. Like it cleans out, like if you have a toothache or like a, you know, something like that, it will clean out the area. So in this one we have turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, and fenugreek. And then the satay spice has coriander, nutmeg, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, white peppercorn, and turmeric. That sounds really good. I wonder, that's probably the chicken satay. That's probably honestly the recipe I'm going to make, just so you guys know. And then we have Bali barbecue. What's in Bali barbecue? I don't know. We gonna find out. All right, so it's Arabica coffee, smoked paprika. My husband loves smoked paprika. He loves smoked anything. Like, that's his flavor. His palate loves that kind of stuff. Coriander, garlic powder, nutmeg, ginger, star anise, onion powder, cloves, and cayenne pepper. All right, let's take a little look at the recipes. So the Balinese pork uses the Bali barbecue. All this is, for this recipe, it's really simple. And that's what I like about this subscription. You can go from beginner cook to like expert. Like there's no like, oh, you have to be able to really cook well. There's no like, ooh, this is just too easy for me. So this one, all you need is pork chops, the Piquant Post barbecue spice, canola or vegetable oil, brown sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. That is literally it. I might actually make that one because it seems so simple. And if it's simple, the flavor's got to be there. You got what I'm saying? The flavor's gonna be there. All right, so then we have the coconut turmeric cauliflower. And this one's also minimal ingredients. You've just got cauliflower, tablespoon of coconut or olive oil, the turmeric gold spice, coconut milk of the canned kind, and then salt and pepper to taste. The noodle stir fry requires a bunch of ingredients because there's 2 different recipes involved. So you've got like, you need the like ramen noodles, shrimp, a tablespoon of kecap manis, a carrot, red or green cabbage, scallions, bean sprouts, egg, and then for the Bamboo Bali, lemongrass, shallots, garlic, ginger, lime, coconut oil, the Bali spice, soy sauce, fish sauce, jalapeno or serrano peppers optional. So that has a lot. That's more ingredient intensive. If you have the whole day like a Sunday dinner, this is probably something you'd want to make. And then finally, the chicken satay is pretty simple. It's just a few chicken breasts, shallot, garlic cloves, ginger, lime. So you like how I keep using my hand? What am I, like I'm putting them down on the counter as I'm, soy sauce, brown sugar, olive, satay spice, and wood or metal skewers, and that is it. So that is everything I received in my Piquant Post for December. Please do check out the full blog review below. I'll also link to Piquant Post. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.